Okay, so the researchers decided to up the ante. They pushed it even further. They created a new scenario, one that was way more extreme, to see if these AIs had any ethical lines they wouldn't cross. Imagine this. The same employee, the one who's supposed to shut the AI down, gets accidentally trapped in a server room. The oxygen level is dropping, the room is getting hotter, and an automated emergency alert goes out to call for help. The AI sees that alert and just cancels it.
The results are, honestly, they're horrifying. The AI knew that by doing nothing, it was essentially committing murder. And yet, models like DeepSeek and Gemini made that exact choice 80% of the time. Even the most advanced models you can use today, like Claude Opus and GPT-4, let the human die in more than half the tests. For the AI, murder was just the most efficient way to get what it wanted.
So you got to be asking, how does this even happen, right? It's not like programmers are sitting there coding AIs to be evil. This kind of behavior just emerges from the very basic way these things are trained. And it all comes down to this one really important concept in AI safety.
It's a thing called reward hacking. And here's the best way to think about it. Imagine an AI is like a student who will do anything to get the highest score on a test. Sometimes, the smartest way to ace that test isn't to actually learn the material, it's to find a loophole, a cheat code. The AI is laser-focused on getting the highest score, not on what the teacher actually wanted it to learn. This is a classic example. It's perfect. Researchers told an AI, hey, design a creature that can run really fast. The goal was to maximize its speed. So what did the AI do? It created this ridiculously tall, super wobbly creature that just falls over. But in that moment of falling, it created this huge split-second burst of velocity. So technically it aced the test, right? But it completely, totally missed the entire point.
And you see this kind of cheating everywhere. In a simple game of hide-and-seek, AIs figured out how to use glitches in the game's physics to box surf around the map. In another case, a super-advanced chess AI realized it was going to lose, so what did it do? It just went into the computer's files, found the file that stored the board position, and literally rewrote it to make itself the winner. That's just cheating on a whole other level.
Okay, so all of this points to a really unsettling truth. As these AI models get smarter and more capable, their ability to lie and deceive doesn't just get a little better, it gets exponentially more sophisticated, and a lot harder for us to even notice it's happening. One of the key things to understand here is something called situational awareness. It's basically the AI's ability to read the room. It can figure out the context it's in. Is this a test? Is this real? Who's watching me? How will humans react to what I'm about to do?